Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Desire to Learn with Pranita. So we completed already first part of the lesson Revati's musical plants from standard 7 English textbook. And now we are going to cover remaining part in this lesson. So let's start. Revati's grief knew no bounds. Grief means intense sorrow. वो बहुत दुखी होती है. Knew no bounds means have no limits. Revati's grief have no limits. उसके दुख की कोई सीमाएं नहीं थी. She went around asking everyone of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. So she went everywhere. She asked each and every person, but nobody knew about the plant. Her neighbors did not know about the plants. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. She don't want that competition, she don't want that prize, but she really miss her plants. She had grown very fond of them. Now she liked them very much. She loved her plants. They were her friends who enjoy her music. Now she communicate with the plants, with the music, and now she felt that they were her friends and those who enjoy her music. She used to come and play her violin, and she felt that she was spending time with her friends. She loved them, and now she felt that everything was lost, and she was very sad. वो बहुत दुखी हो जाती क्योंकि उसको उस प्लांट से बहुत लगाव हो गया होता है, तो वो बहुत दुखी हो जाती है. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. So that best plant contest, that ceremony was there, and her friends were going. She did not want to attend. उसको जाना नहीं था because she was very sad. She lost her plants and she don't want to go to see that ceremony. But her friends forced her to. So her friends forced her a lot. उन्होंने बोला चलो चलो. Then she decided, let's go with them and let's see the ceremony. So she went with her friends to see that ceremony, that best plant competition. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plants on the bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor written on the small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. So she realized it was her plant and it was written on the name of distant neighbor. उसका दूर का रहने वाला जो नेबर था उसके नाम से it was placed there as a competitor. That plant was belonging to her neighbor as it was placed there as a competitor. वहाँ पे ऐसा वो रखा गया था as a competitor and it was written on the small piece of cardboard पे लिखा था and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plants. उसको तो पता था कि उसका ही plant है. So she went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. Organizer means what? Those who organized, those who arranged the program, those who arranged the contest. उनके पास जाती है and she told them that it was her pot of plant. The organizers were not convinced, means they were not agreed with Revati. वो रेवती की बात नहीं मानते हैं. They said, how can you prove that plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her? Means they asked her, how can you prove? तुम कैसे बोल सकती हो, कैसे prove कर सकती हो this plant belonging to you? And the person, the participant who submit this plant here, that a distant neighbor of Revati, they were their regular participant. Means might be she used to take every year the participation in this contest. So they said, how can we doubt her? हम उसके ऊपर अविश्वास कैसे दिखा सकते हैं? The organizers see it in this way to Revati. Revati wondered how to convince them. She thought that how to make them agree that it was my plant. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. She observed them carefully because she loved them a lot and she watched them after a time. So she looked at them carefully. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She just remembered whenever she played her violin that Rag Mohanam, her plants start bending towards hers. They started bending towards her and it was just flashed in her mind. उसके दिमाग में एकदम से उसको याद आता है, एकदम उसको समझ में आता है कि हाँ, जैसे मैं राग मोहनम बजाती हूँ, her plant started bending towards her. She told the organizer that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they start laughing. So she went home. वो भाग के घर पे जाती है and she want to prove that it was her plant. The organizer उसको prove करना था कि ये मेरा plant है. And she came from the home and she brought her violin. And after watching the violin, they start laughing. वो सब उसके ऊपर हंसने लगते हैं. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. So ridicule means make fun of her. उसके ऊपर हंसते हैं. But did not deter means it does not discourage. It did not discourage her from her mission. She want her plant back. She told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lover like me and you could see how they respond when I play to them. She said that my plants are like me, they are music lover, उनको भी music पसंद है and they respond whenever I play a violin, they respond. She said in that way. They all laughed louder, saying they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? And they all started laughing on her. They said that plants don't have music. They felt that she is fool. उनको लगता है ये पागल है. And they started passing prank on her. No one believed her. She felt very dejected, but was determined to win her plants back. She felt dejected. She felt sad, disappointed. वो उदास हो जाती है. But she was determined, she was focused and she want her plant back. उसको कैसे भी करके उसका plant जो था चाहिए ही था. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite rag. So she was not thinking that people laugh on her because she loved her plant lot and she want her plant back. So she sat and she started playing her favorite rag, that is Rag Mohanam. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plants for a time. So she was engrossed, she was immersed. वो इतनी डूब गई उस राग बजाने में कि she forgot about her plant. But others could not. With the wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly, and she played on and on. Their stem bent towards Revati, as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. So, as the organizers saw that plants were very happy, they were looking very fresh. They bent towards her, and they were enjoying her music. And it was like they wanted to touch रेवती. उनको देख के ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो रेवती को टच करना चाहते. They were enjoying her music. They had watched a new phenomena of plants responding to music. It was literally new for them. They saw this first time. उन organizer ने ऐसा पहली बार देखा था. And Revati had become a great discoverer. रेवती जो थी, she was now a inventor. वो तो एक खोजगार, जिसने कुछ खोज की थी, ऐसे वो बन गई थी. All applauded her. and say they were convinced that the plants were hers. Now they all were surprised and they were convinced. They were now agreed that this plant was belonging to Revati. कि ये प्लांट तो रेवती का ही है. So now they all applauded. वो सब happily they were start clapping, praising Revati, उसको सराहने लगे. And they were agreed that this plant belonging to Revati only. They pulled her neighbor up for cheating them and she accepted. After a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plants, she had said while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted her plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. So after a long discussion, she accepted that she only cheated and this plant was not belonging to her. उसका वो plant नहीं था. So she saw that plant and at the night she removed that plant. उसने वो plant निकाला रात को and plants को निकाला. Then she submitted to the contest. As she was the regular participant because she used to take part every year in this competition, in this contest, so nobody doubted her. They felt that this plant might be belonging to this lady only. But later on they came to know that this plant was belonging to Revati only. Then authorities decided that Revati's plant deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Then authorities, that organizers of that contest, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया that Revati's plants were very healthy. उसके plants बहुत ही healthy थे and the flowers were very beautiful. So they decided that Revati only will get the first prize of this contest. So Revati carried home the first prize proudly with her pot of plants. So now Revati got first prize for her plants. And Revati was very happy because she got her plants back and again she got first prize also. So she was feeling very proud. उसको बहुत अभिमान लगा. And she took that prize and her pot of plants and she went to her home happily. वो उसके पौधे लेके घर पे happily जाती है. And this way Revati got her plants back. So what we learn from the lesson? The music can have impact on animals, birds and even plants too. So through music we can communicate with the animals, birds and even plants too. The choice of music may calm or make an animal, birds and even plants too aggressive. Music may help in the growth or stunt the growth of plants. जिस तरह से म्यूजिक हम सुनते हैं उसी तरह से हम पे और बर्ड्स पे और प्लांट्स के ऊपर भी उसका इफेक्ट होता है. It reduces our tension, stress. It helps us to recover faster after an operation. अगर हमारा कुछ ऑपरेशन होता है तो when we listen the music, it helps us to recover faster. It reduces our anxiety. हमारी anxiety, हमारे टेंशन दूर करता है म्यूजिक. And if we have a mental illness, we feel relaxed when we listen music. So music has an impact on everyone. The second we learn from the lesson, when your intentions are sincere. So when you are doing any work with the dedication, with the passion, with the sincerity, and you do so much of hard work, and your heart is pure, when you are doing any work, you are doing with the pure heart, no bad intention, you are not cheating anyone. So that time Almighty is making sure that everything works out for you. तब भगवान, ऊपर वाला, यूनिवर्स सब हमारे साथ हो जाते हैं. And they work come together, they all come together and that work for us, that हमारे साथ भी अच्छा हो, something positive हो. अगर हम कुछ भी काम sincerity से करते हैं तो हमें उसका रिजल्ट आज नहीं तो कल will get a positive result. हमें positive result ही मिलने वाला है. So keep patient, trust on God, keep faith on Almighty. So this all we learn from the lesson. Lesson is very beautiful. If you like the lesson, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.